Tomorrow is the day I grid Austin with 990 pieces of Orgonite. Here's the day I grid Austin with 990 pieces of Orgonite. Let's see if this weather forecast changes drastically by tomorrow. Alright, that's right now. Where's Sunday? Sunday's right there. 11 p.m. Sunday at 4 p.m. They're expecting it to be 90.
On to you with Chief Meteorologist Mark Murray, Austin's weather authority.
Well, these early season fronts really don't do much for our daytime highs, but it did cool things off here in the evenings. Feels nice out there tonight. Temperatures are in the 70s area-wide. Most of us will be down in the 60s overnight. Some spots in the hill country could actually dip into the 50s. Current temperature out in Lee County, Giddings at 73. The Grange at 73 degrees. It's 78 degrees here in Austin. Out at Round Rock at 72. South Austin now at 79 degrees. Lake Travis checking in with a clear sky tonight. Current temperature out at the lake of 78 degrees. The water temperature at Lake Travis is still running about 82, 83 degrees. Both Lakes Travis and Buchanan are only 39% full and continuing to fall. Tonight's KV Weather Snapshot comes to us from Dan Dennis. Dan is a collector of gems and an author of a book about collecting gems, and he sent a little gem of a photograph to Snapshot at KV.com. He calls this one Flowers Through the Fence. Dan, it's good to hear from you, son. Thanks for sending that snapshot in. Our forecast for the rest of the night tonight with a clear sky, down to 60 in town, but outlying areas could drop into the 50s tonight. That's feel good. Now tomorrow, 96. Don't let this 96 scare you, because the humidity will be pretty low, so it'll still feel pretty good outside. Winds will be calm, should be just a beautiful but warm afternoon. Right now in Austin, under a clear sky at 75 at the airport, 78 degrees at Camp Mabry. Today's high for the first day of fall. Fall began just about after 4 a.m. this morning. The high was at 90 degrees at Berkshire, 92 degrees at Camp Mabry. Typically, first day of fall, we run about 88 degrees. No rainfall today, at least not enough to measure, even though we had a brief shower along Mopac and in downtown Austin early this morning. Ragweed low at 7, fall elm medium, mold in the high category today. Allergy forecast, pretty much the fall elm and the mold will be in the picture tomorrow. You'll find that allergy forecast from the KV Storm Team every morning in the Austin American Statesman. San Antonio, heard some folks down just to our south. Saw the satellite, the decaying satellite, fly overhead, nearly right over San Antonio. Here in Austin, we only heard of a brief flash in the southwestern sky, which may or may not have been that satellite. We really didn't expect to see it because it was just too low to catch the rays from the sun to really light it up. 50 degrees at Minneapolis tonight. Denver's at 68 degrees. Along the East Coast, been another rainy day. Pictures from North Carolina where the rain got so heavy that it did cause flooding of streets in Charlotte, North Carolina today. Rivers and streams were running at a pretty good clip as well, flooding out one local park festival in Charlotte today. Here's a look at the satellite radar across the country. Again, the satellite, decaying satellite, likely to move over Canada, the Atlantic, and into Africa. Again, not coming back over Texas. It should hit ground here in the next hour and a half or so. Hour by hour, you forecast tomorrow, lots of clear skies across the state. It's just going to be a really beautiful but hot weekend. How hot? We may hit yet another triple-digit day. Tomorrow, 96 degrees, 100, maybe even 101 on Sunday. Humidity starts to increase next week, leading to a 20% chance of a shower Wednesday or Thursday. Honestly, significant rainfall, just still not in the big picture, at least not yet.
When you said not to, let the 96 scare you, I thought you were going to say because it's going to get hotter on Sunday.
That's right, it is going to get hotter on Sunday, but it'll cool off eventually.
That's right. Thanks.
It will get hotter on Sunday is what they said. CF6, Austin Bergstrom, Archive, September 2011. Okay. Tomorrow is Saturday the 24th. I'm gridding downtown with, I'm sorry, not downtown, somewhere else in Austin with 990 pieces of Orgonite. I gotta get up in 5 hours. Let's see what the weather does this time. Let's continue to Orgonite Austin, and then we'll move to Dallas. I love you.